Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the healthcare industry, offering innovative solutions to improve patient care and streamline medical processes. This presentation will explore the various applications of AI in healthcare and its potential to revolutionize the field. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with remarkable speed and accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities in identifying subtle anomalies. This leads to faster and more precise diagnosis, enabling earlier interventions and improved patient outcomes. AI is also proving invaluable in detecting diseases at their earliest stages when treatment is often most effective. The traditional drug discovery process is lengthy and expensive, but AI is changing this by accelerating the identification of potential drug candidates. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of biological data to predict drug efficacy and potential side effects, significantly reducing the time and cost associated with bringing new treatments to market. Personalized medicine is becoming a reality with the help of AI. By analyzing a patient's genetic data and medical history, AI can help tailor treatments to individual needs, predicting how a patient will respond to specific therapies. This approach leads to more effective and targeted treatments, minimizing side effects and maximizing positive outcomes. Robotic surgery guided by AI offers surgeons enhanced precision and control during complex procedures. These minimally invasive techniques result in smaller incisions, reduced blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients. AI-powered robots are also capable of performing tasks with greater dexterity and accuracy than human hands alone. AI-powered wearable devices and remote monitoring systems are enabling continuous tracking of patient vital signs. This allows for early detection of health deterioration, enabling timely interventions and preventing potentially serious complications. Remote patient monitoring is also expanding access to care, particularly for individuals in remote or underserved areas. AI is optimizing hospital management by streamlining workflows, managing patient scheduling, and improving resource allocation. AI algorithms can analyze hospital data to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies, leading to better patient flow and reduced wait times. This also helps hospitals to operate more efficiently and cost-effectively. AI is also making significant strides in mental health care. AI-powered chatbots provide accessible mental health support, while AI algorithms can analyze patient language patterns to detect early signs of mental health conditions. AI can also personalize therapy recommendations, making mental health care more effective and accessible. The use of AI in healthcare raises important ethical considerations, particularly regarding data privacy and security. It is crucial to ensure that patient data is protected and that AI algorithms do not perpetuate existing biases, leading to unequal access to care. Addressing these ethical challenges is essential for responsible and equitable implementation of AI in healthcare. Despite its potential, AI in healthcare faces challenges, including the need for robust data sets, regulatory hurdles, and the need for skilled professionals to implement and manage AI systems. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for widespread adoption and realizing the full potential of AI in healthcare. The future of AI in healthcare is bright, with the potential to revolutionize how we deliver care. We can expect to see more personalized and proactive approaches to healthcare, leading to improved patient outcomes and a more efficient and accessible healthcare system. AI will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of medicine. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool that is transforming the healthcare industry, offering innovative solutions to improve diagnostics, treatments, and patient care. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even greater advancements in healthcare, leading to a healthier future for all.